I've designed a scuba bank, or a scuba tank-shaped piggy bank. It is designed to take all coin sizes. Let's have a quick look at the process to make this. First, we start off in CAD. I am using Autodesk Fusion. I've only just started to learn this package. It is very popular in the 3D printing community. The boot is where we gain access to the coins. There is an ACME thread, and the bottom is conical so that when we print this inverted, the surface will be self-supporting. At the top of the tank body, I have made a threaded hole to connect the valve to the tank. There is a large coin slot at the top of the tank, and at the bottom is another ACME thread to match the boot. The valve has a separate handwheel that can turn, and the bottom portion has a thread to screw into the tank. I've only had my printer for a month and a half, so I found it's quicker just to prototype the feature you want to test, not the whole model. This is the second ACME thread that I have designed, and it worked first go. But when I printed the boot, I noticed problems that needed some more clearance on the threads and a better start and finish to the threads. Next, I printed the boot in both orientations. Feet up was the best and didn't need any support. Next, onto my most concerning print. The tank is relatively tall for the small thin-walled base, so I added an internal brim to help keep it stable while printing. I also added tree support for the underside of the coin slot and the top of the tank. Much to my surprise, this printed well. I've only had my Bambu Lab printer for over a month, so I'm still learning what it can do. The valve needs support for the overhang, so I've used manual tree support in the critical places. As you can see from the forest of valves that they print all right. The valve hand wheels are cute, and I've designed them to spin when assembled. They get assembled to the valve with a tap-on of a mallet. Place the hand wheel on the valve, support the other side on a desk and tap the valve on. Be careful not to break the valve. The valve screws into the top of the tank. Tighten the valve so that it is in line with the coin slot. Screw the boot onto the tank. I've tested this on all Australian coins. Hopefully our coins are as big as anyone else uses. Feed the coins in the top of the scuba bank. To retrieve the coins, unscrew the boot from the tank.